I've run 100 milers with a free app that outperformed a $900 Garmin Fenix in the single, most critical metric that keeps you alive. Marketing tells you that you need a 1.4-inch screen on your wrist to survive the mountains. That is a lie. A standard phone offers 500% more screen real estate, allowing you to see topographical context that a watch simply cuts off. When you're hallucinating at mile 80, deciphering a breadcrumb trail on a wristwatch is a recipe for a DNF. With an app like Gaia or CalTopo, you see the cliff before you're on the edge. Navigation isn't just about the line, it's about the landscape. But here is the trap everyone falls into: battery anxiety. Manufacturers claim phones die in 4 hours. This is true only if you run like a tourist with 5G on. We need to look at the airplane mode efficiency numbers. Even with optimization, a phone won't last 30 hours alone. The solution is the external lung method. Adding a specific 180-gram component beats a $900 watch on both price and total endurance duration. However, the hybrid strategy is what actually wins races. Use a cheap, entry-level watch solely for pace and heart rate, while keeping your phone stowed for heavy navigation. You separate the data stream from the map stream. So, when should you actually spend the money? If you race in freezing rain or heavy gloves, touchscreens fail. If you need physical buttons, buy the hardware. Otherwise, save the $800 for race entries. Don't buy gear for the image, buy it for the utility.